Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to simply delete your Instagram story. If you're unsure about posting this story or did you post it and you want to remove it, it's easy to remove a story on Instagram. And here's how to do it. Go to your story by tapping your story at the top of your feed. Tap the three dots or more in the bottom right of the photo or video you'd like to delete. Tap Delete. From here you can tap Delete from both if you shared your story to Facebook and want to delete it from both Instagram and Facebook. Or tap Delete from Instagram only if you only want to delete your story from Instagram. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.